just got to our hotel room. I will give you a hotel room tour now.
No.
Okay, so right when you walk in, this is the whole room. Here's the bed. We put our bags here. This is the bathroom. Cute mirror in our shower. And that's it.
That's it.
Just finished getting ready. It's my outfit, my airport outfit. Same. Let's go. Oh, you don't remember my vlog? Are you ready for round 2 of London? Let's go. Let's go. So this is our hotel lobby. Oh yeah. It's very, the vibe seems nice. It's a blurry. Very pretty.
Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been on.
Right now we're in Piccadilly Circus.
Woke up at noon, I'm in a daze. We'll keep on pushing anyway.
It's jazz, it's like green tea. We're here at TWG and we're gonna stock up on our tea that we really like. Look, not even 2 minutes and we're stocking up our basket already.
Oh dude, even this one smells good.
Oh, it smells so good. The tea that we got. We're really stocking up.
No way to change our yesterday.
Okay, we're heading into Chinatown now. It's like one of my favorite areas here. We're getting buns here. It's called Bun House. We're gonna get the 3 bun combo. It looks so cool. Okay, this is what we got from Bun House. You could open it, baby. And these how the buns look like. We got chicken, beef, and custard. I don't really know what we're eating first.
I don't know either.
Which one's that? Good? What is that? Beef?
I think it's the beef one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
What?
That's good. Oh my gosh, the bun is so good. Like the bread. Okay, next bun. Oh, custard. Wait. Oh no. Spillage.
What? Not bad.
You can taste the egg. This is the chicken now. It's kind of like curry.
Oh yeah? Yeah, it is curry.
Oh.
Lemongrass and curry.
Oh, I didn't know that. You like it? Out of the 3, which is your favorite?
The beef?
Yeah, same.
Let's go, grab a cup of coffee, pour it over ice, take it for a walk while we talk about our lives. I just wanna spend some quality time,
This
some
is our
quality
dinner spot.
time. And I don't need a gift, I don't need to know your sign, and we don't need to do something you don't really like. I just wanna spend some quality time, some quality time. But no one ever really gets it. I swear I got the best intentions.
This is our food. It's got truffle pasta, truffle pizza, and this is like a crab pasta. Okay, we're going back to our hotel. How was dinner?
It's good.
Yeah. I'm shy, there's so many people.
Huh? It's okay.
Really matter to me. 'Cause sometimes to do whatever is
We're gonna check this
just tell
store
me
out
what I can do to make you
because we love Harry
mine.
Potter.
Baby, I've been trying to love you the way I do best. So would you just take my...
Good morning from London. We just got ready. It's 8:30 a.m. and we are gonna head out to eat breakfast. I think we're gonna look for an English breakfast place. Right? My skirt's from Amazon. My top is from Zara. And my shoes are Dr. Scholl's. We're walking to breakfast and the weather is very nice right now. It says it's 62 degrees out. I thought it was gonna be cold, but it's really good. It's good because it was so hot in Barcelona, so we're happy with this weather. Got our breakfast. I got the garden plate and Emil got Bill's big brunch, right?
Yep.
It's like a traditional English breakfast kind of thing. I got a matcha latte. I think matcha coconut latte. And Emil got just a regular Americano. Carnaby Street. We're in Soho. I mean, your shot.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way. I'm begging you to stay. And if I could show you, I'd hope that you could see.
It's very busy here, but you can see the London Eye, and then Big Ben. It's very crowded in the street. We're in St. James Park. Just killing time before our bus ride. Wait, is that like a swan? Okay, we walked over to Buckingham Palace. Girl. How are you gonna get down from there? What? Well, here's Buckingham Palace.
And there's a crazy girl over there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're on our way to the bus stop because we're gonna go to the Harry Potter studios. It's not too far from the palace. Our bus is here. It's even a double-decker bus. I know, right? We're in the studios. We made it. That was a long bus ride. What do you think? It's cool, right? Made a sorting hat thingy that shows which house you'll be in. Gonna go on the Hogwarts Express.